Hey there, thank you for taking action and for actually signing up to this very amazing training program that I have for you. It's called Affiliate Legion, and in this very legion, we have legionnaires of like minds that are going to actually help you optimize your membership and be able to ask any questions. So you have basically A to Z training on affiliate marketing using this amazing model and training step by step, copy and paste. You have nothing. And the beautiful thing is that my mentor is going to actually send traffic to your own approved affiliate link where you will be able to get sales on his effort. That means you do basically nothing and you get clicks from his super email marketing prowess, which has thousands and thousands of email list subscribers, which he is going to send traffic to you free of charge, and you make money on the product without actually doing anything. And then of course you have amazing friends around you that are going to give you this opportunity. This is A to Z of affiliate marketing, make money online niche, where you are going to be an affiliate between product that you know you are using, in this case Affiliate Legion, because this man, my mentor, is sending you sales on free basis and you make money every day from his effort, and you have absolutely nothing. And when you recommend this product to others, definitely you get your own commission 50%. So it's an amazing product, and you will be surprised how fast you are going to begin to make money with this. Without wasting your time, watch the video. Make sure you watch the video below, and then of course, if at any point you make up your mind on this, you will have a link that will lead you exactly straight to get yourself involved with this amazing training. And definitely Dan and myself and all the whole group and the family will be waiting for you on the other side. Take action, and then you thank me later for this. Okay, bye for now.